French toast to formal night. What are we eating today? This is a broken egg sandwich, so delicious. I am having some French toast along with a little bit of salmon and bagel, my favorite cruise breakfast by far. And what a great view, looking out in the water in the harbor in Ensenada. We're gonna grab some snacks, see what we have for desserts today. Cookies, coffee and cream cheesecake, strawberry lemonade cake, apple salted caramel cake, dark chocolate honeycomb cake. Ooh, that's good, I'm gonna come back and get that. Red velvet layer cake, German chocolate cake, and some Jell-O. There's also salad fixins, some proteins, chicken, salmon, turkey, ham, mortadella, Swiss cheese, potato salad, coleslaw. Let's see what they're serving for lunch today. Serve yourself beer. Also serve yourself soda. Ice machine. Grab a napkin, put it in my pocket. Grab a plate. Let's see what we got today. Some fruit. Some salads. We're going to try some of this pasta salad. Oops, I spilled. That was my bad. Some rolls, gluten-free bread. Here's the lettuce for the salads. Other toppings for your salads, including the dressing, French raspberry and ranch, black bean soup. You get some mac and cheese. Very cheesy. Oops. Steamed mussels, Nashville hot fried chicken, Salisbury steak with mushroom gravy, cheddar cornbread, vegetables, garlic mashed potatoes, and roasted pork loin. So this is what I got for dessert. I got a strawberry cake that has 2 layers of a sponge cake, some strawberry filling, and a couple layers of a puff pastry. Makes it a little crunchy. It's pretty tasty. And then I got this, which is called a green tea cake. And I was a little concerned because green tea, but it's actually kind of tasty. It's very chocolatey, and it's got kind of like a hint of mint, minty and citrusy. It's very good. And a couple of cookies, because you can't go wrong with cookies. Overall, not a bad dessert.
We just grabbed some lunch. This is the Chicken Shack, which is kind of a knockoff of Shaq's Big Chicken on other Carnival ships, but apparently they don't have licensing on the Italian ships. So this is called the Crisp Chickalicious, which is identical to the Uncle Jerome's on the Shaq's Big Chicken chips. So I had to get it to try it and see if it tastes the same as well. I tried the fake Shaq's Big Chicken sandwich, and I must say it was very subpar compared to a real Shaq's Big Chicken, and I would not recommend it. Took a couple bites and got myself a burrito from Tomodoro, which is the equivalent of the blue iguana cantina. This is a jalapeno tortilla filled with chicken, beef, cheese, salsa, and red onions, I believe. This, I'm pretty sure, is going to be exactly the same and pretty dang good.
There's also a seafood shack on board, which is an extra upcharge. It is open in the evenings on this particular ship. Some of them are open during lunch. They also on this ship had something called a potato tornado, which I'd never seen before. Unfortunately, we were unable to get one, but it is also an extra upcharge.
No Carnival cruise would be complete without a Guy's Burger. Now on the Carnival Firenze, they do have additional Italian-inspired burgers, but personally I've tried both of them. Not a big fan. So I go with the traditional straight-up burger and add a few onions and pickles, and that's it. A little bit of chipotle mayo for the fries. Got a little bit of ranch on the side and some fries, and I'm good to go. These are always a hit. I would recommend trying one next time you're on a Carnival ship.
What cruise is complete without some pizza? Carnival makes the best pizza at sea. We did go to formal nights. We got a nice table for two. We had anytime dining. It was a beautiful view. We had great wait staff. They were so nice and so funny. It took a little bit of time for the food to come, but they were nice and made up for it. Didn't make us feel like we were waiting too long. They brought some bread for us, and I had a shrimp and crab cake for dinner. It was very delicious. Not a lot of food, but it was perfect for what we were looking for. And Tony got the Crawfish Fettuccini, which he said he enjoyed very much. Even though he's not a big pasta eater, he still enjoyed it. It's fun to try new things on a cruise. My favorite part, dessert. Crème Brûlée for me, when the top is perfect and crunchy. Yum. And shocker, Tony got the cheese plate. I know. Shocking to no one. What's your favorite meal on a cruise ship? Let us know in the comments below. Until then, watch this next video.